I'm making a new series where I make videos based on the Roblox documentation. Reading is really boring. I get distracted, I lose focus. I don't know, it's a struggle. But I'm willing to force myself to read through it. I'm going to take the articles and condense them into a video form. My plan is I'll cover at least one article from the guide and I'll link them in the description every time. And then if applicable, I'll make a project based on what I learned. That'll help me practice to make sure I master everything I'm teaching. It's one thing to learn the information, but knowing how to use that information is a completely different thing. That's why it's so important to make practice projects. And my goal is to do that after every video where it makes sense to do a project. I'll keep making projects and showing you guys, hey, this isn't just useless information. It's actually, you can actually make cool stuff with this and it's actually helping you. And you guys should practice along too. Every time you watch a video where you learn something, go ahead and make practice projects until you feel comfortable with it. I want to learn the best way to do things, not just random stuff I find on the internet, you know? So what better source than Roblox itself? And they have so much information on there. I'm really excited to learn how to do things well. The more resources, the better. Like if you want to read the articles and then come watch the video or vice versa or whatever, the more types of media you get, like text, audio, visual, whatever, all that helps. Perfect for you, or maybe you like videos. I personally like videos better. So I'm trying to be what I would want to see. I would want to see video format of all the documentation, but I'll also be making my own projects, you know, to make it unique. So yeah, I don't want to give the impression that I'm like some great scripter or whatever. I'm just learning. I'm just a regular guy. So I wish you luck. The first video should be posted along with this one, and I hope to see you there.